Hey everybody, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. And what I'm doing today is a haul. And this one is basically the Dollar Tree, which is usually my biggest one, my biggest hauls because less expensive there. And I love their stuff and most of their products. However, I did want to show you a couple things. I know that I showed you my chameleon pour right here. Sort of separated a little bit. This was my first attempt at the chameleon pour, which you didn't see the video to that. However, I didn't like it, so I picked it up and tipped it, and that's why you see this running. But I love it because even though it's not a chameleon, it came out really pretty with this color shift paint I used. I wanted to show it to you. And I don't know if you remember me showing you a while back, probably about 6 weeks ago or 7 weeks ago now. I had showed you this painting and was letting you know I was going to be doing, this was a pour that I did right here, and then I painted on coral, like red and yellow coral and some like seaweed and so forth, like a seabed, and this looked like bubbles coming down from up there and from the water. So I plan on either painting this or pour painting it, or I might just take a marker to it. I haven't decided yet. But I'm going to put the mermaid here, and also I'm going to be putting some dolphins on there. Don't know how exactly I'm going to do it. I don't know if they'll be even, uneven, but I wanted to show you what's coming up soon. That's one of the things coming up soon. So let me get you right over to our Dollar Tree haul. First thing I'm going to start with is something I wasn't fond of, but I thought I would like it. It was a silicone pot holder. And I got 2 of them. And I thought, well, you know what? It feels pretty thick. That might work. Well, it doesn't work real well, and I burned my fingers. So I kept the one that I took the tag off of. I am definitely going to bring this one back. But I wanted to let you know, it's the first thing I really came across that I really didn't like at the Dollar Tree. And it works okay. It's just, you don't want to take anything out of the oven with it, like a regular pot holder, because it does come right through there. So that was my first share. And then I also got, I like this book for $1, Made in Paracord. And this is actually a really nice book, and it gives you instructions. It's basically like a macrame or paracording. You could, I like to do crafts, as I stated. So we might do some of this. I'm not sure yet. I want to look through the book more. But this is something I picked up for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And, of course, gotta have these little containers. They are handy for so many things. They are only $1 each. I'm not sure why I picked up this one. I know I had something in my mind at the time. But I do a lot of my own crushing on my glass for my geodes, so it's great to have these little containers. Or if you're making your gesso or your modeling paste for your stencils, and you make them in different colors, like I have this one in red, you can store it in a nice airtight container so it doesn't go bad. So I grabbed the 8, or is it 10? It's a 10 pack of each, the square and the round. And then, I guess this is a little bigger, 3.6 fluid ounces for the gray ones. Yeah. And this is 2.3. So it's a little bit bigger than the gray one. So I got those. And let's see what else. I think I put it down here. I did. And I got this bag, good for shipping, for $1. And I got this little Jot folder. And it's a nice plastic folder. I actually got one that was about 2/3 of this size for inside my journal. I just sort of stuck it to the inside of my journal, and it closed nicely right over it, so I can keep different things inside the folder. But this is great for when you, to keep your monthly bills in, just keep track of what's due, whatever you want to use it for. It's great to have. It even comes with some little labeling here, so you can mark that and put it in the little tabs right there. That's really nice. Love those. Handy to have. And let's see. Oh, I found this at the Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to, I showed you this bottle that I did. It's a napkin and Mod Podge, which I did pick up another bottle of the Mod Podge. And I'm going to be doing this vase I have. I believe I'm going to use this vase for this beautiful, I don't know how it's going to work. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try to put this on there with Mod Podge. And of course, I will definitely record that so you can see it. So that was $1. I think they had them in different colors. For some reason, I really like the silver. And then, let's see what else we got. Oh, they had a lot of these. Now, I can't remember if I showed you any of these, because I think a couple of them had longer than the others. So I just pulled them out, because I don't think I showed them all to you. So if I had, just ignore my partial Alzheimer's. That's not really funny. I know I took care of my mother-in-law with Alzheimer's, and it's a sad disease, really. So anyway, let's go past that, and I just want to share with you these adorable little auto coolants from Jot. Love Jot. This one is enjoy, good times, live for today. It's got a pretty little basket and bicycle and flowers. It's just adorable. And then this one is thankful, and it's got a watering can and a hat and a bucket. It's faithful. A lot of pretty flowers. So pretty. Love that one. This one is adorable too. It says love. It's got little picture windows with flowers and vases and so forth. And then this one says dream and memories and missing you. And it's got a little feather and a bird in a bird cage. And the little thing says live for today. It's really adorable as well. These, like I said, are all from Jot for $1. You can't beat these for $1. And they're adorable. They're all glitter too, and raised. They're not flat, they are raised. This one is Together Forever, Love Is, Forever Love, My One and Only, and so on. This is another adorable one here. I couldn't resist those for $1 a piece because I do scrapbooking. And we might get into some of that too. What else do we got? Oh, more washi tape from the Dollar Tree. Got a lot of nice selections. Let's see, do I have any more down there? No, so I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, so we got some cute washi tapes. I don't know if you can see them all right. I'm trying to get it so that the glare's not on there. Here's another one. Pretty colors. A nice thin washi tape, not super thick like some of them I have are. Really pretty. And I think I might have shown you this. I can't remember. I got these little buttons at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use them on, well, not only for my scrapbooking, but all kinds of things, whether it's my cards that I made, or in my journal, all kinds of things you can make with these cute little buttons for $1. They come in that cute little container that sits sideways. And, oh, the little birds. I wanted to get more, but I just couldn't afford to buy more. I just recently got these because they were so cute. They're adorable little birds for $1. They're so cute. These two sort of match in a different way. They both had yellow and grayish colors on them. Pretty pretty. And a little bit of blue. And I told you I got some more Mod Podge. Almost there. Oh, colorful paper clips for my journal. More for cards. And I think that's it. That is it. That and this. So, I think I've shared everything with you. I don't think I have anything else new sitting around. I might come up with another stack of this stuff that I forgot to tape and show you all. I don't know, but so that's my latest hauls, but they were still a little old. They were still from over a month ago. But I didn't want to just keep putting haul after haul after haul up there. So I figured maybe no more than one a week or one every 2 weeks. Alright everybody, so stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be doing a pour painting soon, probably tomorrow, so be watching for that. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to join Johnny Fierro's challenge. You do that 100 videos in 100 days. Alright guys, have a great night. I'll see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now.